ready to level up your crypto game in the Great White North. This video is your complete guide to mastering Kraken Pro in Canada. First, head to Kraken.com and sign up for an account. You will need to verify your account by providing personal information such as your name, address, and your social insurance number. This is necessary to comply with Canadian regulations, so make sure your information is accurate to avoid any issues down the road. Once verified, it's time to fund your account. Canadian residents can use Interac transfer for smaller, faster transactions, or wire transfers for larger amounts. Be aware of the fees associated with each method, which can be found on Kraken's fee schedule. Now, let's explore the Kraken Pro interface. You will see the charting tools to the left, the order book in the middle, and the order entry form to the right. Kraken Pro offers various order types: market orders for immediate execution at the best available price, limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, and advanced orders like stop loss and take profit to manage risk. Kraken Pro has staking options for certain cryptos, allowing you to earn rewards simply by holding them. They also offer margin trading and futures. Remember, both these options carry significant risk. Only use them if you fully understand the mechanics involved. Keep meticulous records of all your trades, because crypto transactions are taxable in Canada. Consult a tax professional to understand your obligations and accurately report your gains and losses to the CRA. Security is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication, use a strong, unique password, and be wary of phishing scams. If you encounter any issues, Kraken Support Center is your go-to resource. They have detailed facts and a dedicated support team ready to assist Canadian users. Remember to keep up with the evolving cryptocurrency regulations in Canada to stay compliant and make informed investment decisions.